Jaecoo J6 is a modern compact SUV that blends stylish design, advanced technology, and practical versatility to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Its exterior features a bold and dynamic design, with a front fascia that carries a distinctive grille and sharp LED headlamps, giving it a confident and premium appearance. The body lines are smooth yet athletic, with sculpted side panels and an aerodynamic profile that enhances both aesthetics and efficiency. Riding on stylish alloy wheels, the J6 exudes a sporty yet sophisticated presence on the road. The rear design incorporates sleek taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and a well-proportioned tailgate, ensuring a balanced and attractive stance from every angle. Finished in premium paint options, the Jaecoo J6 stands out as a vehicle that appeals to those who value both form and function. Inside, the Jaecoo J6 offers a refined and comfortable cabin equipped with high-quality materials and thoughtful details. The dashboard is clean and modern, dominated by a large infotainment touchscreen that integrates navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable driving information, while intuitive controls ensure a user-friendly experience. The seats are ergonomically designed with premium upholstery, offering ample support for long journeys. The spacious interior allows for comfortable seating for all passengers, and the rear seats can be folded down to create an impressive cargo area, making the J6 as practical as it is stylish. Performance-wise, the Jaecoo J6 is designed to deliver a balance of efficiency and power. Equipped with an advanced engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it offers responsive acceleration and refined handling. The suspension system is tuned to provide comfort on rough roads while maintaining stability during high-speed cruising. Modern driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking contribute to a safer driving experience. The all-wheel drive option enhances traction and control, making it suitable for various road conditions. Technological innovation is at the core of the Jaecoo J6. It features smart connectivity with smartphone integration, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium audio system for an immersive sound experience. The climate control system ensures a pleasant cabin environment regardless of weather, while ambient interior lighting adds to the premium feel. Every element of the Jaecoo J6 is crafted to offer convenience, safety, and style in one complete package, making it an attractive choice for modern drivers seeking a versatile SUV that stands out both in urban environments and on open roads.